stop everything. Yes, right now. We are making dangerously fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth cinnamon rolls. Soft as clouds, warm and buttery, filled with gooey swirls of lotus Biscoff spread and cinnamon sugar that fill your kitchen with sweet, spicy, caramel-rich aroma. Stay with me. Your taste buds are in for the ride of their lives. In a bowl, add 180 milliliters of warm milk. Add 60 grams of granulated sugar. Add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, both at room temperature. Whisk until smooth and silky. Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. Whisk lightly and let it rest for 5 minutes until slightly foamy. In another bowl, mix 390 grams of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Pour in the foamy yeast mixture. Fold with a spatula until a soft, shaggy dough forms. Messy? Totally fine. This is where the magic begins. Transfer the dough to a stand mixer and add 60 milliliters of melted butter. Knead until smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky. Soft, buttery, and stretchy, just perfect. Brush lightly with oil and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour until doubled in size. The smell already has me drooling. Now comes the fun part, 3 separate bowls. Bowl 1, 45 grams soft butter. Bowl 2, half cup lotus Biscoff spread, microwaved if needed. Bowl 3, half cup brown sugar and 1 tablespoon cinnamon mixed until fragrant. Each layer has its own magic. Every bite hits differently. While the fillings rest, I prepared the frosting separately. 160 grams cream cheese, a tablespoon of sugar, pinch of salt, 80 grams melted lotus Biscoff spread, a teaspoon of softened butter, 2 tablespoons milk or more, just enough to make it smooth, creamy, and spreadable. You can add whipping cream instead of whole milk. I set it aside in the fridge while I checked my beautifully risen dough. Look at this beauty! It's doubled in size, soft, and so airy. Then I punch out the air gently. I dust the surface lightly with flour and place the dough on it. Once done, I start rolling it equally from all sides to get an even rectangle. Now comes the important part. Roll the dough carefully, equally from all sides, so it's even and not too thick or thin, about 1/2 inch thickness. Perfect thickness means every roll will bake evenly and stay soft and fluffy. Time to layer the magic. First, I spread the soft butter evenly over the dough. Next, the sugar-cinnamon mix, sweet, spicy, and aromatic. Finally, the lotus Biscoff spread, gooey, caramelly perfection. The dough is now a flavor-hacked canvas ready to roll. Carefully, I roll the dough into a log, keeping all layers tight inside. Here's a neat trick. Use dental floss or thread under the log, cross it over, and slice evenly. Now here's a pro tip. I mark the log with a knife at 2-inch intervals. This way, when I cut with dental floss or thread, each spiral is perfectly sized and not random. Each spiral comes out perfect. Look at those swirls! So satisfying you almost don't want to bake them. Almost. I place the rolls in a greased baking dish, leaving some space between each one. Then I cover them with cling film and let them rise for 20 to 25 minutes in a warm place. Look at them puff up. Soft, airy, buttery, and the cinnamon lotus aroma fills the kitchen. Honestly, your kitchen smells like a bakery. Dangerously tempting. Look at that jiggle. Soft clouds of cinnamon, buttery, and ready to melt in your mouth. Your kitchen is already smelling like heaven. The cinnamon lotus magic is real. Now they're ready for the oven. Let's bake these beauties golden brown. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown on top. Optional. You can drizzle whipping cream before baking for extra shine. The smell? Heavenly, like a bakery just exploded in your kitchen. Once the rolls are out, warm and golden, I drizzle the cream cheese frosting I prepared earlier. Spread it evenly on all rolls. Then I sprinkle crushed Lotus Biscoff cookies on top for extra crunch and caramelly goodness. Then I drizzle melted Lotus Biscoff spread on top. Finally, I finish with Lotus biscuits on each roll, crunch and caramelly magic in every bite. Tear one apart, soft, fluffy, cinnamon sweet, lotusy bliss. I might have eaten 2 already. Okay, maybe 3. Trust me, your kids, friends, and neighbors will fight over these rolls. Tell me in the comments, if you could add just one crazy twist to these rolls, what would it be? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me how your rolls turned out. Did they survive the Lotus Biscoff magic? I love reading your messages. Your comments literally make my day and inspire me to make the next recipe even more dangerously delicious. Thanks for watching.